Hello and welcome to HOMAG Newsflash. My name is Yasmin Blair and today I would like to show you everything HOMAG has to offer the trade. In the Networked Digital Workshop, HOMAG shows how digital assistants and features can already support workshop workflows today. But I'll show you that a little bit later. First of all, we've got a brand new innovation coming up.
The new CenterTech N600 nesting machine offers more than any other nesting machine on the market. In addition to classic drilling and milling work, it offers the option to insert connector fittings directly. First, the drilling operations are carried out on the raw panel and the optimized nest is milled. In the next step, the feeding system presses the connectors into the intended position. More than 30 connectors can be carried on the aggregate carriage in the portal. As soon as the nest is finished, it is automatically moved away and the next panel is pulled in at the same time. In this setup, the Feedbot C500 robot takes over the further transport of the finished parts. It enables a higher packing density through chaotic stack formation, thereby reducing the space requirement.
In case you experience any difficulties with one of your machines, HOMAG can quickly help you help yourself.
The IntelliAdvice app informs the machine operator of the fault via push notification. In the app, various proven solutions are clearly displayed. IntelliAdvice draws on a large pool of information and experience. Machines with Tapio Connect report error messages, warnings, and sensor data from anywhere in the world. The experience and knowledge of teleservice employees and developers is also incorporated into the solution finding process. Customer feedback on the usefulness of various troubleshooting tips is also included in the analysis of all data, getting the machine up and running again. With the IntelliAdvice app, this succeeds in the shortest possible time and with a high success rate. This makes it an indispensable tool for every machine operator.
I'm just clicking my way through the new HOMAG eShop. From now on, you can order spare parts, services, or consumables online at shop.homag.com. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and with orders placed by 3 p.m. per express, the delivery even takes place the very next day. You can also buy machines in the HOMAG eShop. For the introduction, there are 6 limited edition machine models, so have a lot of fun shopping. And now, as promised at the beginning, we're going to head on to the digital workshop. And here, HOMAG is showing digital assistants for the workshop of the future that can already support daily work today. For example, the cabinetCreator. Now, with this, I can configure web-based carcass furniture and generate all relevant production data such as parts lists and CNC programs. cabinetCreator has a library with basic shapes as well as a selection of fittings from popular manufacturers. A great way to easily generate digital job data. All right, so I've just finished planning my closet. Now it's time to find out what comes next. All right, Kai, now I just finished configuring my closet. What would be the next step?
The next step is the Production Manager. With the Production Manager, we offer a job folder where all the data coming from the cabinetCreator or other CAD/CAM systems can be imported inside this application. You have an overview about all the orders inside. You can select an order. You see details. For example, the drawing, a 3D picture, and even sometimes an assembly drawing. But that's not all. What else you can see is the status of each product and of each part in your production. So we are tracking the status so that you know all the time where the parts are inside your production.
That's so cool, but we're still not finished yet. Thank you so much, Kai. Why don't you follow me? All right, Henrik, so I can't wait to find out which digital assist you're going to show me now.
I will show you now our Material Assist Edge. With the Material Assist Edge, you can manage the edge bin storage and all important information are available. And the special is that with one click, you can take out the edge bin.
And this box we're seeing right here, this carton, was actually developed especially for this process. Why is that so?
On one hand, the edge band is protected. And on the other hand, you can insert the edge band together with the box into the edge band magazine.
I see. Thank you so much, Henrik. No, this is no fashion accessory I'm here to present you. This is a very handy glove. Look at that. Now this glove is going to help me keep an overview so I know where my work pieces are later on when I want to build the furniture. And this is how it works. First of all, I have to scan my work piece. Then the shelf where this has to go will light up so I know where to put it. After I put my piece in the work shelf, I then scan the shelf itself and everything is in order and I have the perfect overview later on. All right, now thanks to the digital assistants, we have produced the parts quickly and easily, and now all we have to do is assemble the closet. And for that, HOMAG also has a solution, productionAssist Assembly. Here, I have all parts for the closet and all fittings and additional parts at a glance, and can, if necessary, look at assembly drawings and instructions. I must say, HOMAG is showing some really great solutions for everyday work, and what's special about all of them is that you don't have to invest in a complete system right away. You can simply pick out the individual machines, the software, and the digital assistants you need for your very own personal workshop of the future. I am now with HOMAG Sales Manager for Germany, Edward Schießl. Now, Mr. Schießl, which challenges do craft businesses face nowadays, and how can HOMAG support them?
I would say indeed, our carpenters face a lot of challenges. I myself come from a carpenter family, and you have to see on the one side you have the big industry, especially kitchen producers, making enormous pressure on our carpenters with big productions, flexible productions, with lower prices than our carpenters can realize ever. On the other side you have small assembly companies, only have a van and some tools, and they produce without fixed costs, you know, only little fixed costs. And so there's a lot of pressure. HOMAG can provide a tremendous advantage, I would say. We not only have machines, but we have complete solutions for them, showing it as well here at LIGNA. We have different concepts where they see which is the way I should produce, I can produce in the future, including a lot of digital helpers, increasing their efficiency.
Now, Mr. Schießl, as you've just mentioned, you're not only presenting machines, but a lot of different digital solutions for the trade. How have your clients been reacting?
I think our customers get increasingly aware of the importance of digital products and software. So they see here different solutions where they can step by step increase their usage and get more and more efficient.
Thank you so much for your time, Mr. Schießl. And thank you for watching. That was HOMAG Newsflash live from LIGNA 2019. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.